On the wedding day, I plan to complement the beautiful, simple gown that I'm wearing with spectacular diamonds. Of course, they have to be diamonds since that's my birthstone. Oh, shucks. And the compliment is very well dressed. I actually thought this one was just spectacular. Thank you too much.
I don't think so. I don't think
Is it ever too much? No, it's okay. I know that Candace loves diamonds very much. And I think it's a compliment to her whole dress. And I think she's very happy, and that's the most important thing. Look at this veil. My mantilla.
And this is a special material because it's like a cape. It's called a kafla. The detailing in the veil is very, very delicate. It is lightly beaded with gold pearls and silver jubilees.
I absolutely love my veil. It's from Spain, and it sort of takes me back to my original heritage, which is a Spanish heritage. It's perfect. It's just perfect. The dress that I'm wearing, with the veil, the flowers, the jewelry is more than I could have imagined. I just think everything came together beautifully, so I'm really, really excited.
We have 2 crystal backdrops for this wedding. Crystal surrounds will rain down from the edge of the tent directly behind the dining table. She wanted a very intimate feel, so we're doing one large U-shaped table.
Every Sunday is Wedding Sunday. Catch WeTV's hit wedding series, all the big dreams, the not-so-minor details, and of course, major drama. Only on WeTV. It's an all-new episode of Platinum Weddings tonight at 9 on WeTV's Wedding Sunday. This WeTV program is brought to you by Lean Cuisine and Keep Life Delicious.
The Book of Truth, myth number 22. Nothing's better after a long day than a giant plate of lettuce. Come on, who's satisfied with that? With Lean Cuisine, you can enjoy dishes that are nutritious. And are you sitting down? Delicious too. Take their new spa apple cranberry chicken, including grilled chicken, whole wheat pilaf, sweet cranberries, farm-picked veggies, and an apple reduction sauce, plus 6 grams of fiber. Cranberries and